Backlinks Explained, 7 Guiding Principles to Follow for Success. Hi guys, I'm Nat Ryan with Internet Marketing DIY. A backlink acts as a vote for your website and its content. In essence, it says that the linking site acknowledges your legitimacy as a website that should be taken seriously. Backlinks are super important for any website that wants to rank highly with Google and the other search engines. I could talk backlinks all day long and still have a lot more to say, but in order to make the subject of backlinks more digestible for you, I'm going to break it down into 7 guiding principles. Let's get started. Guiding principle number 1, the more backlinks, the better. You see, you want your website listed with as many websites as possible. So the quantity of backlinks does matter, but it's not the only thing that matters. Guiding principle number 2, basically there are 2 different kinds of backlinks, no-follows and do-follows. On the surface, both kinds look the same. They both have a link back to your website that people can click on. The difference lies in how they behave when a search engine bot goes to the site and crawls the content. The no-follow essentially says to the search engine bots that the other site is good, but not good enough to interrupt their current crawling of the website they're on. But a do-follow encourages the search engine bots to stop reading the current site, follow the link to the other website, and read its content instead. The do-follow bot, or the do-follow backlink, tells the bots that your website is so important that it needs to follow the backlink right away to read through your content. That gives your website a big thumbs up. So for a more effective backlinking strategy, you want to make sure that most of your backlinks are the do-follow kind. Guiding principle number 3, most backlinks are no-follows, which means that you're going to have to work a little harder to find do-follow backlinks. There is a no-cost way to check the backlinks on any website to see if they are no-follows or do-follows. I don't know what web browser you're currently using, but I highly encourage you to add Google Chrome. Google Chrome has a lot of cool free extensions that you can get, including the no-follow, which allows you to see when a link is of the no-follow variety. Here's how to get the no-follow extension on Google Chrome. So in Google search, type in Google Chrome extensions, and when you do, you should find the Chrome Web Store near the top of the page. Click on that, and when you do, you'll find the Chrome Store here, and then you'll find the Search the Store field, and what you want to do in there is type in no-follow, all one word, and click Enter. When you do, you'll see this blue box with the white lettering that says no-follow. That's the one you want. So click on the Add to Chrome button. And when you do it, it asks you if you want to add no Chrome, and you click on the box that says Add Extension. And once you've done that, it'll tell you that no-follow has been added to Chrome, and it has this little icon, and you can see it at the top of your browser window here. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks like a little link. Okay, let's go see what that looks like here. So here's a website that I found quite a while ago. It's the top 100 gardening blogs and websites for gardeners. Now, if we scroll down a little bit, if you see this dotted red line boxing in the URL here, that means that this link is a no-follow backlink. Okay, if we continue to scroll down, you can see that all of the links to these websites and blogs are no-follows. Okay, if any of these links didn't have that red dotted line boxing it in, then it would be a do-follow backlink instead. But unfortunately for these website owners, all of these links are the no-follow variety. So for these blogs and websites, they're getting no value, real value out of having a backlink on this site. Number 4, not all backlinks are created equal. That's because not all websites are created equal. Yes, you want lots of backlinks, and yes, you want most of your backlinks to be do-follows, but you also want to be listed on the very best websites, the websites with the most influence and authority. So how do you find out how much influence and authority a website has? That's where the next principle comes in. Guiding principle number 5. Every website has 2 metrics that indicate influence and authority: citation flow and trust flow. Citation flow is concerned with the sheer volume of links back to a website and the value of each of those links. This indicates that there is some linking juice flowing between the 2 sites. What you want from citation flow is a lot of valuable juice flowing to your website. Trust flow indicates how influential a website is. So you want as much trust flow into your website as possible through your backlinks. You see, trust flow is the part of the do-follow that is the vote of confidence for your website. Problem is that you won't get any trust flowing to you from no-follow backlinks. It's only from do-follows that you can expect any trust flow at all. So naturally, you want to have as many do-follows as possible and from the most influential sites that you can get. In a moment, I'm going to show you a free online tool to check any website's trust and citation flows. But first, let's go on to the next principle. Number 6, a good backlinking strategy will have a ratio that's always expressed as the trust flow divided by the citation flow. What you're after is a ratio as close to 1 as possible, if not over 1. So let's take a look at that free online tool I mentioned earlier. Okay guys, so when you go on your web browser, you can type in majestic.com, and when you do, you come to the Majestic website. Majestic is a subscription-based paid service. If you pay for it, you get pretty much unlimited use of their tool, but know that you can use it for free, just that you can only do 3 free searches per day if you do that. They have an example here, bobgeldof.com, so we're just going to press on the orange search button and see what it gives us. Okay, so for bobgeldof.com website, their trust flow is 40. That's here on the left. Citation flow is 31. So that's really good because the trust flow is more even than the citation flow. So that means it's a very influential site, okay? So another one to look up, okay, not to toot my own horn or anything, but this is my agency website, bigblueskyinternetmarketing.com. Trust flow 30. Citation flow 26. Now, not every website you look up is going to have a trust flow that's higher than the citation flow. That is okay. All right. Just what you need to see is a citation or a trust flow that is going to be at least 30% of your citation flow. If it is not at least 30% of the citation flow, then it means that the website you're looking up is not influential enough to give you enough trust flow flowing to your website, and so give them a miss. Do follow links from sites with as high a ratio as possible. What you may not realize is this: the trust to citation flow ratio is constantly shifting, which leads to our last principle. Guiding principle number 7. The ratio to all backlinking strategies shifts like sand in an hourglass and needs to be monitored. Unfortunately, a lot of people approach backlinking as a do-it-once and forget-it chore. Also, a classic mistake I see all the time is backlinking strategies with some citation flow and absolutely no trust flow. This company I'm showing you here is not one of my clients, by the way, but using the tool that I showed you, I was able to see that this company's backlinking strategy leaves a lot to be desired. First of all, they don't have enough backlinks. They only have 3. And what they do have has absolutely no trust flowing to their website at all. This indicates that whoever did their backlinks did not understand the difference between no-follows and do-follow backlinks, let alone how to build and manage the backlinks to maintain a perfect trust to citation flow ratio, or as nearly perfect as they could get it. So it's not surprising that this company's website is buried deep in page 3 of the Google search results for their niche, a page where no visitor is going to find them looking for the types of services that they provide. Don't be like this company. Don't just put in a few backlinks and forget them. Well, that's it, guys. If you follow the 7 principles I've laid out here, you'll be able to run a successful backlinking strategy and stay miles ahead of your online competition. Stay tuned to my channel because in my next video, I'll be showcasing 3 website building packages you can use to quickly and easily build your own website. Better still, guys, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. While you're at it, if you like this video, hit the like button below, and if you'd like me to cover something specific, please leave me a comment. Bye for now, guys. Thanks for watching.